Hi guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Starting off a new vlog today. I think I'm gonna do a couple days in my life, and it is a Tuesday. I just got back from Trader Joe's, so I'll show you quickly what I got. I don't have too big of a haul for you guys today, but I'll just go through this really quickly. So I got bananas, avocados, lemons, tomato, red onion, yellow bell pepper, garlic, more sourdough bread, raspberries, blueberries, some shredded Parmesan, provolone cheese slices, salami, and turkey. Then we have some spicy hummus dip. I also got pita chips to go with that. And sour cream, vanilla yogurt, cream cheese, mushrooms, some ground beef, and also chicken. I saw this and thought it sounded really good. It's a pumpkin, like, oatmeal cookie mix, so I'm gonna try to bake these sometime this week. Got more mac and cheese bites. I got a lot of these vanilla overnight oats. I don't know why I've been super lazy with breakfast lately. Like, when I wake up, I'm just so hungry and I don't feel like making anything, so I've just been eating these a lot. I know I could definitely make these myself super easily, so someday I'll do that, but for now I just got the already made ones. And then I got this ginger kombucha, 2 boxes of couscous. I love the Trader Joe's couscous and it sells out a lot, so they were stocked up today, so I just got 2 boxes. And then also a can of pumpkin to put in Lennon's food. So that's the Trader Joe's haul for today. Right now I'm actually about to head to the gym. Also wanted to let you guys know that today's video is sponsored by Skillshare, so I'll talk more about that later on when I get back from the gym. So I'm gonna head out, and I wanted to show you these leggings that I'm wearing. My friend Kalani posted these on her Instagram story. They're from Amazon, and she said they're like a dupe for Aligns, and I like basically live in Lululemon Aligns, so I had to get a pair of these and see if they were like a cheaper alternative, and they are so similar. These were literally like 25 bucks and Aligns are like 98, so they are so nice. The fit of them is so good. I'll link them down below if you guys want to get a pair, but I got them in a size small, and I usually wear like a 4 in Aligns, so yeah, I love them. And I just got this color because I wanted to see if I liked them, but I'm gonna go back and order like the black, the gray, all of the colors. Putting on Lennon's separation anxiety music while I go to the gym. She's in her bed. Hey girl. Oh, you're so tired. Okay guys, it's a little bit later. I got back from the gym and just took a shower and kind of got myself ready for the day. But as I mentioned earlier, today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. So I know I've talked to you guys about them before, but in case you're unfamiliar, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes that let you explore different interests and develop new skills. They have classes in so many different creative fields like graphic design, photography, marketing. Right now, I am actually in the middle of taking a class called Discovering Success: 7 Exercises to Uncover Your Purpose, Passion, and Path. It's taught by Emma Gannon. She's an author, broadcaster, and podcast host, which is really cool. The class is all about how to define what success means to you and like how to turn things that you're passionate about into actual opportunities or side hustles. So it's really interesting so far. There's like all these different exercises that you do as you follow along. Skillshare is a great platform if you are kind of uncertain about what's next for you, or if you just are curious about a certain field or topic but you don't really know where to start. I always think it's super important to never stop learning and to just pursue things that you are interested in. You can also connect with other members on Skillshare in your different classes, so it's just a super inspiring community that you can learn from and engage with. Right now is definitely a super uncertain time for so many people, so I feel like a great way to add more structure to your life or just stay inspired is to start taking a class on Skillshare. So I have a special offer for you guys. The first 1,000 people that click the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare premium membership. And after that, it's only around $10 a month. So definitely check it out, take advantage of that offer. And thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. Hi guys, it is now Wednesday. I am about to head into the city because I have a laser appointment. I feel like anytime I talk about getting laser, I always get a ton of questions. So let me just give you guys the rundown.
Go get it.
So I've been getting laser for a while now. I get it on my bikini area. I do full Brazilian. So I think I started like a year and a half ago, maybe longer, because there was like a break during COVID when they were closed. So I'm currently on my 11th session today, and basically you do 12 sessions to kind of get like full results, and you do them every 6 weeks. I'm very close to being done with those 12 sessions, and then after that, everyone's kind of different, just like based on like your hair color and thickness and everything, but you basically just kind of do sessions farther and farther apart until you're only getting touch-ups like once or twice a year, and the hair just doesn't really grow back. Hey, London was being bad while I was trying to say this, but anyway, what was I saying? Since I'm on my 11th session now, I already have like almost full results. Like the hair just doesn't really grow back anymore, and if it does, it's like super thin, and it's just like the best thing ever. So I absolutely love it. I've had a really good experience. I have never gotten waxed, but I don't think I would like it. That definitely sounds a lot more painful, and I don't like that you have to grow the hair out for like 2 weeks before you get a wax. And I basically just never have to shave anymore, and it's great. So I go to Erase Spa. It's in like Midtown, New York. And I go to Elizabeth. She's great, but I've gone to other girls there too, and they're all really good. So that's where I'm going today. And I'm gonna have to leave her here by herself, but I'm only gonna be gone like maybe an hour and a half. So it'll be good, right? Okay, I just got back home. Sorry if you can hear the dishwasher running, but Lennon has learned how to sit. Ready? Sit. Good girl. Lennon, come. Come. Sit. Good job. You still have a treat on your face. You have a treat on your face. It is a few hours later now. I have been sitting in this exact spot for the past few hours. I just finished editing a vlog that I'm uploading now. It's like my puppy vlog of me getting Lennon, so that'll be up today. I am sitting on the floor right now. I don't really know why. It's pretty comfortable. I just have like my work stuff on the coffee table. Lennon is taking a nap. Kitty was napping too, but she just got up. So yeah, so I'm just getting some work done now, responding to emails while this uploads. Later tonight, I'm going to Madison's apartment, and I'm gonna bring Lennon with me, and we're gonna watch the vice presidential debate that's on tonight. If you guys live in America, I hope you are following along with this election and all the debates happening. It's so important to just be aware of what's going on and know who you're voting for and know why you're voting for them. And I feel like I've posted about this so much on Instagram, but I haven't really reminded you guys that much on YouTube. So if you live in America and you're able to vote, make sure you are registered to vote. It is so important. It's important all the time, but like this election in particular is just so important. So please make sure you're registered to vote. Make sure you know how you're voting and where you're voting and all of that. So yeah, we are watching the vice presidential debate tonight. I'm actually looking forward to this debate. I feel like it's going to be more productive than the first presidential debate, which I'm sure you guys have seen. It was just a mess. Very frustrating and hard to watch. But I feel like this debate, you know, will actually like get somewhere. So Madison and I are gonna watch that later, and I'm excited. I feel like Kamala's gonna be like a great debater, and I'm just excited to watch her. So that's what's happening. Also, I got a new planner that I wanted to show you guys. It's just from Amazon. I wanted to get a new like weekly planner because I have this one. It's not really a planner, it's more just like a daily overview kind of notepad thing. That's from Anthropology, and I use that for like busier days where I just have a bunch of to-dos that I have to check off and keep track of. And then I use digitally my Google Calendar for any appointments and any video due dates for brands and just like specific days that I need to remember. But I felt like I didn't have anything where I could like plan out my week and just like plan out what I need to get done each day and like be able to look ahead. So I got this one on Amazon. It's like an academic calendar, so it starts, I think it starts all the way back in July of 2020 and then it goes through June of 2021. So it's obviously October, so I'm just starting it there, but I like it. It has just like a weekly overview, which I feel like it's the perfect amount of space because I don't need to write every single little thing on here because I have my anthropology one for that. But this is just good to see like what I'm doing each day generally. And then there's also like the monthly calendar too. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. I like the simplicity of it too, like just the black and, you know, everything's very simple and clean. So I'll link this down below if you guys want to get it. To go to Madison's? How cute do you look in your pink harness? You look so cute. Are you so excited? She's so excited. Hey, don't chew my camera. No. No. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go. We're gonna go. Look who's in her little car seat. I got this pink car seat off of Amazon. Great purchase because otherwise she would try to like sit in my lap when we're in the car. So this just straps to her harness and she's strapped in. It's much safer than letting her like roam around the car. So she's not a huge fan, but she has to sit in it. So sorry, girl. Debate time.
And through a plan that is about investing in infrastructure, something that Donald Trump said he would.
Hey, kitty. Kitty, speak. Kitty, speak. Good girl. I'm trying to teach her to speak. Okay, hi guys. It is later now. I just got home. I'm sitting so close to Samir right now because Lennon has her little fence, but we are gonna go to bed and I'm going to end this vlog here. Also, just wanna say the debate was so good, so different from the presidential debate. Like, Kamala was just amazing, so well spoken, just like spitting facts, so confident, and the fly landing on Pence's head was just like iconic and the cherry on top. So that was great. Register to vote and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below what videos you guys want to see from me, and hope you enjoyed this vlog. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye. Say bye. She said bye.